we show you throughout this newscast. Here are the big stories we're starting with tonight. Eva, it's impossible not to start in Maui just because of how horrific that has become. But there's other stories we're keeping an eye on as well.
We're following the woes of the former President Trump in court as another dealing happened today. We're going to bring you up to speed with that as well. And
more news from Washington, D.C., one that's not necessarily going over well with everyone. A deal to bring home some Americans, but a costly price, quite literally. Billions in assets now freed up.
So let's talk a little bit more about these stories. We're going to walk to the main desk here, and we'll get you started with two of these big stories tonight as we talk about lawyers representing former President Donald Trump and the government. They were in court today for arguments over whether limits should be placed on Trump about what he can or can't say about evidence in his case. Now, the government argues that without the protective order, the former president is likely to disclose sensitive information. Trump's lawyers argue the protective order restricts the president's free speech rights.
More going on nationally. A deal between Iran and the U.S. that will set free 5 American citizens is a go, but it's in exchange for releasing billions of dollars in frozen assets. President Biden signed off on the agreement, but it's drawing some pushback from Republicans in Washington.